We're gonna get to business. We're gonna clean. We're gonna pack. We gotta run errands for the trip. Just a very soccer mom day in my life, and I feel like y'all will love that. So I've been home about 2 months. The last time I was in LA was almost 2 months ago, which is crazy because since January, I've been flying to and from LA. I've been bi-coastal. I am filming what I spend in the week as being someone who's bi-coastal. The total was $57. Yes, we love Pennsylvania. That was supposed to be the next vlog. I didn't know that I was gonna be filming this vlog, and then I realized I have so much shit to do, and you guys like seeing me get shit done and be productive. So I'm going to film today, which is gonna be chaotic. The day I leave for my LA flight, and I haven't done anything yet. I have to do finishing touches to all of the things I've been working on music-wise, and I have to shoot some content for new music. That's the exciting part. So those dates cannot be moved. There's important meetings, important songwriting sessions, important recording sessions to finish some demos. We are at the finish line, and I cannot back out of this. Like, I have to go. Even though I have so much I have to get done. The reason I haven't gotten to do like my massive list of things to do is because the last 2 weeks have kind of been like the biggest stress in my life. It's been amazing. It's been major moves I've been making in the adult life, but it's been so stressful. Like, I closed on my house that I've been building. Yes, I still have the house, we're moving. It's just, I decided to build it, so it took a lot of time, and mortgages suck. So I closed on the house, which is awesome, so I officially own it. And second distraction was I ended up having to buy a car because my lease for my car ran out the same week I ended up closing on my house. So I've kind of been in like adult land, like just dealing with all that shit, because it's crazy. It's literally crazy to close off on a home and to buy a car. It's crazy. Those are all exciting things. We have very exciting things coming on this channel. And even though I want to talk about the new house, I want to talk about my new car, we got to focus on LA. We got to focus on music. And most importantly, we got to focus on getting shit done today. I have so much shit I have to get done. So first things first, I feel gross. And one of the reasons is that my nails have literally looked like this for a while. This one broke off. This one's been missing. I want to go to the nail salon before people actually start showing up there and it starts getting packed, because your girl has social anxiety and I don't want to see anyone I know at the nail salon. So I'm gonna shower, get ready for the day, get dressed, and I'm gonna go get my nails done and get an iced coffee, because I think that's gonna get me going for the day. And then after that, after the little self-care moment, we're gonna get to business. We're gonna clean, we're gonna pack. We gotta run errands for the trip, and I feel like y'all will love that. Make a to-do list. Nails, Sephora, book flight, clean, pack. Cool. Okay, so come at 2 p.m. Okay, thank you, bye. I'm glad I called because it's a Sunday. They're actually pretty busy. So I'm gonna come at 2 so they can soak my nails and do a full set. But between now and then, I can get some cleaning done. Running behind, need to get our nails done, pick up Starbucks. All right, let's go. We got our iced chai, time to go get our nails done. Alright guys, so I got black French manicure. I'm actually really happy with them. I've never gotten a black French. I'm in spooky mood already. It's literally not even September. So next I have to go to Sephora. So far we booked the flight, got my nails done. I'm gonna go to Sephora, but before I go to Sephora, I have to make a call for my electrical with my new house. I have to make sure that's all okay before I go on a trip, because now I'm a homeowner. I have to actually like look out for shit like that I didn't used to have to deal with because I lived in an apartment. So I'm just gonna have to call a number real quick. I want to get that done, and then after Sephora, we're gonna have to clean and pack, because you guys know I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that.
Please reply to the message to confirm.
All right, guys, I just got to the Sephora that's in my local Kohl's. I have to get skincare products I ran out of, and Sol de Janeiro, my perfume I ran out of, and yeah, I'll be right back. Caudalie is my favorite skincare product. $314.82. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, here we go. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright guys, I'm back and I'm filming this way, closing off the rest of my closet because it is so messy, and that's something I don't want to show you guys yet because we're not at that part of the video. But I want to show you guys what I got at Sephora. I got a whole new skincare routine because I ran out of everything at once, which is so annoying. But it's also exciting because I feel like it's about to be a new season. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling new vibes. And a part of me associates smells and aromatherapy with like new things. Chapters all have their own smell. Is that just me? I don't know. Personally, the skincare routine I was using was from January, and it all ran out now, which makes sense because it's now August, so it lasted me about 8 months, all my other products. The product that I did have prior to this skincare change up was this Caudalie Venosource Hydra Serum. It smells so good. It's really gentle. The bottle's so cute too. Then the next product I got was a new cleanser because I ran out of my cleanser. I love anything gentle, foaming, nothing exfoliating. I cannot do an exfoliating one. I asked the lady at Sephora because I actually haven't heard of like a really popular cleanser that people are like obsessed with, but she told me the Tatcha rice wash cleanser was really good. It's a soft cream cleanser. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, it smells so good, and it's so soft. Look at this. I don't know if that does anything, but it's just like, it feels like a moisturizer, but it's a cleanser. Then the next thing I got, I'm also like unboxing these because I'm gonna have to pack them and use them. So my other favorite brand is Youth to the People. It's very, very, very organic, and I bought the vitamin C clean caffeine energy serum, and it's supposed to brighten, firm, and depuff your face. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited about this one. Smells like oranges. And last but not least, I got my new fall scent. We're gonna open her up. I got the Replica scent in the scent Bubble Bath. I know you're gonna think you're gonna walk around smelling like soap. No, no, no. This does not smell like soap. This smells woodsy and clean. This is her. It smells so good. I spent $140 on this perfume. You know I love it if I spent that much money on it. It reminds me of New York Fashion Week in the fall. Okay, so these are the products I bought. That was a really good trip to Sephora. Okay, so now I am gonna have to do the things I don't really enjoy, which is clean my apartment and pack some meeting outfits, stuff for content for my new song. I need to like put my thinking head on straight. I just sounded like a fucking teacher. I gotta put my thinking cap on.
I remember the first time we met, face to face. Kiss on my neck, how could I forget something that hasn't happened yet? I'm wasting my time, losing my mind over all this wasted time.
So as I clean, I always think about my airport outfit because for some reason that's like, it's so hard to pick out. It has to be comfy but still stylish, if you know what I mean. I also noticed as I was cleaning, I'm starting to also like make mental notes of what I'm gonna pack. And while I was cleaning up this techie area, I figured I would start packing my tech. That's something I do whenever I'm traveling. I pack obviously the essentials like skincare, clothing, all that, like shoes, that goes in my suitcase. I do YouTube and I obviously do influencing, and I need all my equipment. So we have a tech backpack. A lot of you guys have asked about this backpack in a lot of videos, the backpack that I travel with. It is a TOURUS backpack. I got it in 2018. I've never wanted to buy a new one, so it's 100% worth the money. There's also this spot on the backpack where you could just sit it on your luggage and just like roll it in the airport and it just won't fall off. This drawer, I'm not even gonna show you guys. This drawer is full of cords and I haven't touched it because I'm moving soon. I have to do an apartment clean out and reorganize everything before I move because it's just so chaotic. We got my corded headphones just in case my AirPods are dead, which reminds me I have to charge my AirPods, but also these are for voiceovers if I have to send any voiceovers to my editor. This, don't get me started, no spoilers, just in case I'm in a that girl mood and I feel like reading a book. I am really excited, I do want to read it, but I just feel like it's hard for my attention span to like sit and open a book, but I'm really excited to read it because when I do get into something, I really do get into something. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later and I'm packing and I just pulled up my checklist from when I went on tour because I have a worry that I'm gonna forget something, and I forgot I made this and it's actually really helpful when packing. I feel like I can apply this to my trip. So far I've packed my toiletries and my tech and my makeup. Because I've been traveling so much, I literally have kept my makeup in this makeup bag all year. I haven't opened this vanity, I haven't stored my makeup. Same thing with my skincare. Oh my god, I literally just dumped all my skincare. Oh my god. I'm like really sad right now. Was that shot worth it? I just broke my jade roller. Add to my Amazon list. Jesus. That was so not worth it. But like I was trying to show you guys, this is all my skincare and body wash. I keep everything in here. I never fully unpack it. I can't believe I just did that. We lit a candle. We're trying to have calm vibes. I feel like traveling will always give me a little bit of anxiety. Literally packing so many sets of PJs and loungewear and sets because when I'm not doing meetings and not going places in LA, I just want to wear this. All right, I have everything packed. It's 2 a.m. Car's gonna be here at 3. Yeah, basically I just have belts, jewelry, shoes, hot tools, makeup, towel, toiletries, every kind of top. I literally put together outfits. My workout clothes, all my dress pants and dress top, bulky sweatshirts and crew neck sweatshirts underneath, workout clothes, and yeah, I literally have everything I think I need. This was a productive day. I know you guys like these productive videos. They make you guys more productive, you guys tell me. Moment of truth. Oh. Here we go. 1 hour left before the car comes and we are packed. Now I want to shower and I'm gonna end this vlog here because I want to shower and wake up so I can go to the airport and feel fresh. My airport outfit is my gray onesie with a gray hoodie and my Converse, so cute. Yeah, I'm really exhausted. I got everything done. I feel accomplished. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more productive videos. Stay tuned for LA content, new music content. That's why I'm going there. It's super, super exciting. And yeah, just keep following me everywhere. I will give as much away as possible. It's been a lot. Like I feel like the last like 8 months I still feel close to you guys, but I feel like I kind of started like shifting my content to more of like what I'm doing instead of like what I'm feeling, and I'm just really excited for all this stuff coming because it's time. It's time. I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe and yeah, follow me in LA. I'll be giving you guys an LA vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.